Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your OPPO Enco 3.2 to your Android device. To do this, you'll need to go to Settings, Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is enabled. And now open your case like this, and you see this light right here. So to actually make them pair, you need to hold this button, which is located right here. Hold it for a few seconds until the light starts blinking softly like this. And now go back to your device, press this wheel, and you can connect to your device pair. Okay, that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.